how to enable or disable the on or off labels on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. After that, tap on the on or off labels. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now the on or off labels will give you an indicator that the state of your toggle button, whether it's on. If it's on, it shows a 1. If it's off, it shows a 0. So that gives you an indicator of the current state of the button. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.